What's up everyone and welcome back to another video. Today we're going to see how to create a new contact group in Outlook. So firstly, launch Microsoft Outlook and on the left hand sidebar, click People. In the home menu at the top, click New Contact Group, and if this option isn't available, make sure your Outlook is updated. In the name field, type a descriptive name for your group, and this will help you easily identify the group later. Click Add Members. You can choose from Outlook Contacts, Address Book, or Email Contact. Repeat until all members are added. Now click Save and Close to finish creating the group, and when composing a new email, click To and then select Contact Group. All members in the group will automatically be added as recipients. Just note that you can edit the group anytime to add or remove members, and make sure members aren't already included in another group to prevent duplicate emails. It's great for sending group emails to departments, project teams, or event participants. And that's it guys, thank you for watching and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks like this.